Hi, Janet here from Tips. Let's take a look at how to make a file in Smart Learning Suite Online. To do that, in our school district, we work through Google Drive. This is important because if you create a file within the Smart Learning Suite's own interface, you will not have that working Drive integration, which we need if we want to share our files with students in Google Classroom and have them continue to work on those files when we don't even have the file open anymore. So when you're in Drive, there are three ways to get into Smart Learning Suite. The first way is to go up to your top left, you click on New, you go down to More, you go across to the right, and all the way down to Smart Learning Suite. The second way to open a Smart Learning Suite file in Drive is to go up to your waffle on the top right of your page, click in there, and scroll all the way down to Smart Learning Suite. The third way to open a Smart Learning Suite file is to find any file that you would like to open in Smart Learning Suite, right-click on that file, go down to Open With, and go down to Smart Learning Suite. You can open a file this way if you have a notebook file to open, a Google Doc, Google Slides, Google Sheets, or a PDF. So if you're quickly trying to get work that you've created in the past open in Smart Learning Suite, this is a super fast way to do it. Okay, my favorite way to open a file or create a new file in Smart Learning Suite is to go to the left. This is because this is the most intuitive way. If I'm creating a new doc or any other slides, I would probably go here too. So over down to More and all the way down to Smart Learning Suite. It takes a few seconds and you can see the circle spin in the middle of the screen, but eventually you'll come up to a menu page in Smart Learning Suite which gives you some options. You can import a resource, so again you can pull something in from Drive or upload from your device. You can create a YouTube video, you can import a YouTube video, you can create a new page, you can create a shouted out collaborative learning group brainstorming activity, a response assessment that will save your student responses in a spreadsheet that you can refer to later, or a game-based activity. I'll show you these quickly. There are 11 templates that you can choose from in order to create a game-based activity. Smart also gives us ready-made activities. We have 5 activities that help you in terms of activating prior knowledge. So for example, KWL Q chart. And 12 questioning and reflection activities that work well as exit slips at the end of the classroom. Okay, so for now, just to show you quickly what it looks like to create the page, I'm just going to click on New Page. And you can see here it says setting up your lesson. This file will be added to your Google Drive. This is the beauty of us creating our files from Google Drive, is that everything will be stored there. Any edits you make to your file will automatically save in Drive. Any annotations you write on your file when teaching it in your class, those will also be saved in that same file in Google Drive. Begs the question, what if you wanted a clean copy of your lesson? That's easy. You can make a copy of that lesson. This blue interface is your edit interface. In here you can add more features. When you're done, you click on Finish Editing. And in this view, you have a presentation that you can now share with your students. More about that in the next video.